Understanding, here we go again, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, here we go again. This expression is rich in meaning and can be used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively in everyday conversations. Here we go again is a phrase often used to express a sense of repetition or frustration about something happening again. It's typically used when a situation or event that has occurred in the past arises once more, especially if it's unwelcome or annoying. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. At work, your boss announces another unexpected meeting, and you whisper to your colleague, "Here we go again," implying that this has been a frequent, perhaps unwelcome, occurrence. 2. In relationships, after resolving a recurring argument with a friend, if the same issue comes up, you might say, "Here we go again," signaling frustration about the repetitive nature of the problem. This phrase can vary in tone, from light-hearted to exasperated. Its meaning can change slightly depending on the speaker's tone and the context. Sometimes, it's used humorously to lighten the mood, while other times, it can express genuine frustration. The phrase has been popularized in various movies, songs, and TV shows, often to depict characters' frustration or resignation in the face of recurring events. This cultural usage has made the phrase widely recognized and understood in many English-speaking contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, "Here we go again," more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, the key is in the tone and context. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.